I just posted 8 reels on Instagram and hit around 8 million total views, out of which 2 videos outperformed and got 3.7 and 2.6 million views. Not those videos were just for testing the algorithm, but now I know every inch about Instagram's algorithm, and in today's video, I will guide you that how you're gonna be an Instagram's millionaire in 2026. I'll be sharing you 6 tips and tricks, and trust me, this will really bring your 1-2k reel views to millions. And remember, the last point is the most important. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Point number 1, user retention. The number one thing Instagram cares about is user retention. Retention simply means how long are people staying on your reel. When someone watches your reel till the end, rewatches it, or doesn't scroll immediately, Instagram reads that as a high quality content. If your retention graph drops sharply in the first few seconds, your reel is dead no matter how good it is. So your goal should be simple: keep people watching till the last second. And no retention equals to no reach. Now comes engagement, and no, engagement is not just likes. Instagram tracks shares, reposts, story shares, saves, and the most powerful of all, comments. If people are doing something with your reel, Instagram pushes it harder. A reel with fewer likes but more saves and comments will always outperform a reel with just likes. So stop chasing likes, start focusing on engagement. There's a pattern you must follow while making reels. The first 2 seconds decide everything. In those 2 seconds, the viewer decides that I'll watch this or next reel. If your opening is boring, slow, or predictable, you have already lost. Your hook should create curiosity, trigger emotion, or directly call out the viewer. No hook equals to no retention, and no retention equals to no viral reel. It's simple as that. Now coming to point 4, make people comment or share. Here's a trick most creators ignore. Give people a reason to comment or share. Examples: comment link and I will DM you. Comment for the free ebook. Tag someone who needs this. Agree or disagree, comment below. People love interacting when you tell them exactly what to do. No CTA, no comments, no push. Now coming to point 5, that is use of Instagram trial reels. Instagram has a trial reel feature and it's insanely underrated. Think of it as A/B testing for reels. Upload a video as a trial reel, check retention, check engagement, see where people drop. If you notice issues, improve the hook or pacing before uploading the final version. This alone can multiply your reach. Now listen carefully, because this is the most important point. Point number 6, shadow ban. If your account is shadow banned, it does not matter how good your content is. Your reels will never cross 1-2k views. And signs of shadow ban are sudden drop in reach, reels not shown to non-followers, some low views again and again. To fix this, you need to contact Instagram Help Center and submit a specific request. After 24 hours, your reach starts normalizing. I won't share the prompt publicly because it gets abused. So follow me on Instagram, DM me the word reels, and you will automatically get the exact prompt in your DM. And you will thank me later for sure. So if you're following everything correctly, going from thousands to million of views is not a luck, it's a system. So if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more algorithm breakdowns. And remember, Instagram doesn't reward effort, it rewards understanding. So with that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan, and I'll see you in the next one.